promoted, advocated for, and maintained transparency in the things we say and the decisions we make. Because of this, I do not have to hide that this faction will be presenting a motion of no confidence in the Minister of Rami in this meeting. I know that normally this declaration is saved for the end of the first round speaking time, but because of that commitment to transparency and honesty towards the people of Sint Maarten, I wanted the opportunity to use my speaking time now to explain why we are bringing this motion of no confidence. This country is accustomed, Madam Chair Lady, to motions of no confidence brought against ministers or entire governments for very vague, very weak reasons. Yet each and every time this has happened, there's been the school children stating in government hallways, in restaurants, office buildings, and on Facebook, the real reason behind the motion. You see, so-and-so brother, they didn't get a contract to build this or that building, so yeah, the minister had to go. Or, you ain't hear that the MP's son was supposed to get a piece of land, but the department had asked for too much money, so it ain't went through? Yeah, boy, that minister had to go. Or, my personal favorite, the minister ain't signed the advice and that ain't sit well with the big boys, so the minister had to go. Each time, a heavier dose of truth mixed in with a melee, and each time, if I may borrow a line from a brilliant article I read yesterday from Trinidad and Tobago, we shrugged and moved on. Endemic corruption has rendered us helpless. Because that is what people feel in this country, helpless. And maybe more than a little numb to the political shenanigans. Each motion of no confidence has been weaker than badly steeped bush tea. You know, when you don't let the leaves sit too long in hot water. Backed by personal agendas and tantrums instead of fact-based insight and evidence. I personally do not like weak bush tea. Luckily, the Ombudsman's office made a strong cup for us to sip from with this report. Madam Chair Lady, the Ombudsman's final report on a systemic investigation into solid waste collection contract awarding process for the term 2021-2026 has essentially presented the evidence we have been lacking for the government, parliament, and the public in glaring color. It is the latest, but the first hard copy display of a long trajectory of poor decision-making, a disregard for good governance, and a continuation of what I call the Sint Maarten magic trick. The right hand shows you the coin, and the left hand takes two from your pocket.